Okay, a lot of times I get asked if I can change the menu in my CMS for particular websites. For instance, in shopping carts, in shopping websites, the customer would like to have a button straight up on the top menu, just bringing them directly into their checkout, or into their orders page. Now you can do that through online store orders, but we could make it more obvious. Um, Obviously I can't just change the engine to do that because that affects everyone's website. We can't have everyone's favorite page up on the top menu. But we can do that now because under site options I've added in a new section called menus. Now this is a menu editor, and for instance site options itself is only ever used whenever you're adjusting the website itself, the website engine, which doesn't happen very often. So we can drag that now all the way to the right using this. So if we just take site options and drag it down, you can see it actually updates on the fly. And let's say we want to create an orders link here, bringing us directly into the online store orders. What we'll do is we'll add a new item. That creates a new item 1, which we have here. And we'll rename it orders and copy its details from this is a list of the default menu items. We'll copy that from online store orders. You sure you want to overwrite? Yes. And if we just look at that again, we can see it's been updated to that. And then we'll drag that up next to pages. So now we have pages and then orders. So it's right next, it's right there where we want it. Now this is not just for internal links, we can also have external links. Let's say you want your website to have a link going to your main blog administration area, and your blog is actually not in the CMS, it's a totally external one, let's say WordPress. So you can create a new item, we'll call this one blog, and we'll link that to your blog address. So in my case I have a personal blog at verns.com/wp-admin would be the administration area, and we'll say that when you click on it, it has to be a new page. You can see in the admin area we have a small icon next to it which says that's an external page. Okay, and another nice thing we have now is we can add in icons. So let's say the logout link here, we want to have an icon next to it. I'm going to add on one that I already have in here, so I have it under here. No, it's not there, it's under types. For image not found. And now we can see up here, there's a little icon next to it. Now another nice thing is, beforehand we had submenus. But that was a limit of it. We have a top menu and then we have submenus. But now we can have submenus. So let's say you have lots of pages. For example, under site options, we've got too many things in here. That could be broken up further. Now we can do that. So if we go into, let's say, site options here and go in further, we can see the pages underneath site options, general languages, too many. What we could do is add in something for, let's see, what would we group together? General languages, locations, menus. Oh, we'll just create one called miscellaneous. Add new item called miscellaneous. Okay, and in there we can add let's say languages, which we would copy from site options languages, and then we'll add another new item called menus, and we'll copy that again from there, menus. So underneath miscellaneous, we now have languages and menus, which means we can get rid of them here. So languages, click on that and delete it. And menus, click on that, delete it. So now, underneath site options, we've got general, locations, blah, 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 miscellaneous. Oh, there's a bit of a bug. Well, I'll get that fixed. Anyway, that shows. Oh yes, here's another thing here. We have under top, when no item is selected here, we have a choice. You can set this menu, the one you've been editing, set that as a default admin menu, so that when a new admin is created, they get this menu. And then we can also reset your menu. Reset, like, get rid of this and load up whatever is the current default. We can reset all current admins, which means that anyone else that's already an admin, you can clear out their menus and replace them with this one. Or we can reset everything and go back to factory default. The factory default is what was there in the beginning from the CMS, whatever the CMS would normally build automatically. We'll do that just to see. So, and we're back to normal. Okay, thank you.